channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. Now, for this activity, you'll need a few household items. So the first thing you're gonna need are 3 sock balls, and you are going to need a water bottle. And if you have some tissue paper or maybe some regular paper, you're just gonna cap it on top, just like I did. Push it down. And then you can use a rubber band or one of these rubber bands, and they tie. And then you're gonna create your own little boo, okay? Now, for this activity, you'll need about 5 to 10, depending on how many water bottles you have available. So make sure you stay tuned, and I'll demonstrate this activity in just a moment. All right, so here's the setup for House of Boos. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of my boos in the back, and then I have 1, 2, 3 boos in the front line, and then I have my sock ball. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go about 6 feet away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm gonna turn around and I'm gonna get into a plank position. While in a plank position, I'm gonna use my dominant hand to try to knock down the boos. So I'm gonna get into a plank position, push-up plank position, and I'm gonna try to knock down the boo. Your job is to try to get all the boos down in 1 minute. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, so I got 1 down. 2. 3, 4, 5. I got 2 more left. 1. And time. But 10 seconds left to spare. I just completed level 1. As you see, all my boos are knocked down. All right, so now for level 2, what I did is I got a big water bottle, so a gallon jug. Did the same thing, I made a big boo. Now your job in level 2 is to try to knock down the big boo as fast as possible. If you notice, I have all the small boos surrounding my big boo. But again, I'm gonna have 1 minute to try to knock down the big boo, which is being guarded by the small boos. 3, 2, 1, and go. So again, I'm aiming for the big boo. And time. With 32 seconds left. All right, so we're moving on to level 3. Now, level 3, what you have to do is we have 9 boos, including our big boo, which is right here in the center. You have to knock all of the boos as fast as possible. You'll have 1 minute to do this, but this time, instead of using your dominant hand, you're gonna use your non-dominant hand. 3, 2, 1, and go. That's 1, that's 2, 3. Again, you're using your non-dominant hand. 4, 5 more, 5 more. 3 more. All right, 2 more. Can he do it? 1 more. Time. With 2 seconds left to spare. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game of House of Boos. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please let me know what were your thoughts about the activity, how you would modify it, and what changes you would make. And again, please don't forget to use our hashtag, the P.E Spot, because I like to see your modifications to this activity. And as always, at the P.E Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.